So you guys, today we're making some baked Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna add in some butter here to our pan. And we're gonna add some salt. About a teaspoon of salt. Just, go around with it. I'll bake it for 45 minutes. I'm gonna add in some bacon bits. Let's give some flavor. I'm gonna bake it 45 minutes, you guys, on 350 for 45 minutes. And make sure you cover it up with some aluminum foil. Our sprouts are done. So you can go ahead and drop us some cheese on there. So yep, Brussels sprouts with some cheese. There you have it, guys. Baked for 45 minutes. And they do get a little char on them, like a little brownness to them. But they're very, very yummy, you guys. This is a must try. So delicious. See, they're very, very soft. I can't pick them up because they're hot. But you have the idea of what I'm talking about. So delicious. Brussels sprouts with butter, cheese, some salt. Very, very yummy, you guys.